Kids, these days, millionaires before they can drive. They say it takes money to make money. But what if you haven't even earned your driver's license yet? Don't tell today's teenagers that age is a barrier. Forget lemonade stands. Kids today are launching global businesses from their bedrooms. Some are even making their first million before they can legally vote. This isn't a fluke. It's a movement. The entrepreneurial spirit is alive and well, and it's taking root in the most unexpected places. These young millionaires are rewriting the rules of success. They're proving that with the right mindset and a whole lot of hustle, anything is possible. And they're just getting started. The business world is no longer reserved for those with years of experience and MBAs. We're witnessing the rise of a new breed of entrepreneur, young, ambitious, and digitally native. These kids are using technology to their advantage, building empires online, while their peers are still navigating high school hallways. They're coding websites before they can drive. They're investing in stocks before they can vote. And they're building engaged communities online before they even graduate high school. This is not a fad. It's a fundamental shift in the entrepreneurial landscape. These young entrepreneurs are challenging the status quo. They're not waiting for permission or handouts. They're seizing opportunities and creating their own paths to success. And they're doing it all with an infectious energy and a fearlessness that's inspiring a new generation of changemakers. Let's be real, the odds are often stacked against young entrepreneurs. Lack of resources is a common hurdle. Limited access to funding, networks, and even basic business knowledge can feel like insurmountable obstacles. Then there's the skepticism. Adults who don't understand the power of the internet age often dismiss these young go-getters. Support can be scarce. Parents and educators, while well-intentioned, might not fully grasp the intricacies of online businesses or the stock market. Traditional education systems often lag behind, failing to equip students with the entrepreneurial skills needed to thrive in the 21st century. But here's the thing. These kids are digital natives. They've grown up with the internet at their fingertips, navigating it with ease and confidence. They speak the language of social media fluently, understanding its nuances and trends. What others see as challenges, they see as opportunities to innovate and create. Online businesses are their playground, a space where their creativity knows no bounds. E-commerce platforms, social media marketing, and digital advertising are their tools of trade. They're building online stores, creating compelling content, and engaging audiences. They're connecting with customers around the globe, all from their bedrooms, turning their ideas into reality. The digital age has leveled the playing field, giving young entrepreneurs access to a global marketplace and a wealth of resources that were unimaginable a generation ago. They are leveraging technology to break barriers and reach new heights. And it's not just about online ventures, their ambitions extend far beyond. Young investors are taking the stock market by storm, showing a keen interest in finance. Armed with smartphones and a thirst for knowledge, they're researching companies, analyzing trends, and making savvy investment decisions that would make Wall Street veterans take notice. They are the future, and they are shaping it with every click and swipe. Section 5. A testament to tenacity, from bedroom to boardroom. Take the story of Ben Pasternak, a tech prodigy who taught himself to code at age 9. By 15, he had already built and sold several successful mobile apps, capturing the attention of Silicon Valley giants. His breakout app, Impossible Rush, went viral, topping the charts and attracting millions of users worldwide. This wasn't just luck. It was the result of countless hours spent hunched over a computer, teaching himself to code, experimenting, and relentlessly pursuing his passion. Ben's story is a testament to the power of tenacity, self-belief, and embracing the opportunities of the digital age. He proved that with the right idea, the right execution, and an unwavering spirit, even a teenager can disrupt industries and achieve extraordinary success. Section 6. The power of mentorship and support. While the entrepreneurial spirit burns bright in these young minds, mentorship and support are crucial. Imagine the impact of experienced entrepreneurs guiding these young trailblazers, sharing their knowledge, opening doors, and providing a sounding board for ideas. Imagine educators embracing entrepreneurship, integrating it into the curriculum, and fostering a culture of innovation in schools. And imagine parents, not just as providers, but as cheerleaders, encouraging their children's entrepreneurial endeavors and nurturing their passions. Section 7. Beyond the dollars. The impact of young millionaires. The impact of these young millionaires extends far beyond their bank accounts. They're inspiring a generation of dreamers and doers. They're proving that age is just a number, and that innovation knows no bounds. They're challenging traditional notions of success and paving the way for a new era of entrepreneurship, where creativity and passion are the driving forces. These young changemakers are not just building businesses. They're building communities, fostering connections, and creating opportunities for others. They're using their platforms to advocate for causes they believe in, from environmental sustainability to social justice, to raise awareness about important issues that affect us all, and to inspire others to make a difference in their own unique ways. Their success is a testament to the power of hard work, resilience, and the boundless opportunities of the digital age. They're leveraging technology to break barriers and reach global audiences. They're rewriting the rules of the game, showing that innovation and determination can lead to extraordinary achievements, and showing the world that anything is possible if you dare to dream big, set ambitious goals, and work tirelessly to make those dreams a reality. Their journey is a beacon of hope and a source of inspiration for future generations. Section 8. A new definition of success. These young millionaires are redefining success on their own terms. They are not just following the traditional paths laid out before them, they are carving out new ones, filled with innovation and creativity. It's not just about the money. It's about the freedom to pursue your passions, to make a difference in the world, and to create something meaningful. They are driven by a desire to leave a lasting impact, to build something that resonates with their values and aspirations. They're showing us that success isn't a destination, it's a journey filled with learning, growth, and continuous improvement. Every step they take, every decision they make, is a part of their unique story. It's about embracing challenges, learning from failures, and never giving up on your dreams. They understand that setbacks are not the end, but rather opportunities to learn and grow stronger. They're not afraid to take risks, to think outside the box, and to challenge the status quo. Their courage to innovate and push boundaries is what sets them apart. And they're doing it all while staying true to themselves, using their unique voices and perspectives to make a positive impact on the world. Authenticity is at the core of their success, allowing them to connect deeply with their audience and community. They're proof that success is not a one-size-fits-all equation. It's about forging your own path and defining what it means to be successful on your own terms. Their stories inspire us to rethink our own definitions of success and to pursue our dreams with passion and determination. Section 9. What's your story? The stories of these young millionaires are both inspiring and empowering. They remind us that age is no barrier to achieving great things. They challenge us to think differently, to embrace innovation, and to never underestimate the power of a young mind with a big dream. So, what's your story? What are you passionate about? What impact do you want to make on the world? The future belongs to those who dare to dream big and take action. The only limit is your imagination. Go out there and make your mark on the world.